Hello friends, welcome to all of you. In this food tech guide, today we will discuss the fruit bar manufacturing process. In this video discussion, you learn how the fruit bar is manufactured, what are the raw material, what is the general guidelines regarding the standards, additives, and the process control in order to produce the high quality of the final product. As per the food standard, what is the fruit bar? Fruit bar is a very simple product in which the fruit pulp or the fruit puree with addition of the nutritive sweetener may be added with the other ingredients, additives addition, and then their proper mixing, concentration, and drying is carried out to form a sheet, and after that sheet is cut into the appropriate size and shape. In this fruit bar, contain higher percentage of the fruit pulp, near about 60 to 70% fruit pulp is containing, therefore higher percentage of the nutritive value. The general standards required for the fruit bar, in which the moisture containing requirement is not more than the 20% of the final product. That means moisture containing required to be controlled by the proper dehydration process. Then the final TSS requirement not less than 75% of the product, and the fruit containing requirement not less than 25%. These are the general guidelines regarding the fruit bar. What are the different type of the fruit bars which are available in the market? In which first, that is the single fruit bar. That means by using single type of the fruit and prepared the fruit bar. For example, mango, guava, papaya, jackfruit, amla, etc. Then second, that is the combination or mixing process, mixing of two or more fruit pulp and fruit bar is prepared. In some fruit bar, they are layered with the different fruits and fruit bar is prepared. Fruit bar in which the sugar free or the low calories fruit bar, that means without addition of any sweetening agents, only the fruit pulp is directly drying is carried out and the fruit bar is prepared. Fortified fruit bar, that means with addition of the some vitamins, external addition of the extra fibers and proteins, enrichment and fortification is carried out. These are the main different types. The market available main product, in which the popular product, that is the jamun bar, mango bar, jackfruit bar, and the amla bar. These are the products. Name of main ingredients required for the manufacturing process of the fruit bar. The fruit bar using the first, that is the fruit pulp, in which fruit pulp may be used as a fresh fruit pulp or may be used with the processed fruit pulp, in which the canned fruit pulp may be thermal processed, in which the aseptical packed thermal processed, or maybe the frozen fruit pulp. This fruit pulp is main first raw ingredient with addition of the sweetening agents like the sugar and added with the additives, in which the thickening agent added with the thickening agent like the pectin in order to increase the textural property of the final product. Then addition of the citric acid act as an acidulant and enhance the flavors. Then addition of the proper proportion of the preservatives. Then addition of the antioxidant. Addition of antioxidant is very important in order to maintain the proper color of the final product for long time, and may be added with the natural flavor and coloring agents as per our requirement. Jackfruit bar and the mango bar, these are the two main products very popular, in which this product is prepared with the fruit pulp addition with the sugar, and then they are properly dry without addition of the any color and flavors. It's containing higher percentage of the fruit content with added with the some additives like the thickening agents, citric acid, preservative, and the antioxidants. We get the final high quality of the product. The main processing step in the fruit bar, in which first the extraction of the fruit pulp from the fruits. Depending on the different type of the fruits, they are first pre-processed, then extraction of the pulp, and then finishing is carried out. After that, this fruit pulp is maybe further processed and stored for the longer time, in which the canning process, aseptical packaging, then thermal processing, maybe frozen storage, and this processed pulp used for the long time for the different type of the value-added products. After the extraction of that pulp, then main cooking process with the addition of the sweetening agents by using the steam jacketed kettle or by using the different cooking systems in which the fruit pulp added with the sugar and then concentration is carried out until its brix is reached near about 60 to 65 degrees brix. Then with addition of the additives with the citric acids, thickening agents, preservatives, stabilizing agents may be added with the color and flavors. Then after that they are spread into the thin sheet into the stainless steel tray in which the different type of the manufacturer they are specific especially their policy with the thickness of that sheet generally spread about 3 to 5 thick, and some manufacturer they are produced the fruit bar with the number of layers in which the first layer is carried out, then drying process is carried out, then again second layer of the fruits pulp, and then again drying is carried out. In this way 2 to 3 layer is carried out, and finally dried pulp is cutting and packaging is carried out. The main processing step in which the drying process in this drying process may be used with the cabinet dryer or may be used by using the solar dryer system in which the temperature is near about 55 to 65 degrees Celsius, and time required for the dyeing depending on the thickness of the layer and the type of that fruit near about 12 to 15 hours. And finally the moisture content of the final product must require to not more than 20%, and the final bricks of the product is not less than 75%. After the proper drying process, they are cut into the appropriate size as per our requirement, and then finally they are packed into the packaging material and labeling is carried out. Equipment requirement for the manufacturing process of the fruit bar, in which the major and minor equipments. Major will require the fruit pre-processing and the pulper machine, steam jacketed kettle, and then dryer. Dryer may be cabinet dryer or maybe sun drying system, that is the solar dryer. Solar dryer is very effective for the preparation of the fruit bar in which the without addition of the any color and flavors, whatever the fruit containing the natural flavor and color retain, but required drying times, that is the 3 to 5 days. But we get the high quality of the product in this system. Then some of the minor, that is the weighing scales, then the cutting machines, packing machines, and some of the other tools are required for the manufacturing process. With the addition of the preservatives, preservative must added single preservative with the limitation, that is the if you added the benzoic acid, maximum limit is 200 ppm. For the sulfur dioxide, maximum 100 ppm. Sorbic acid, that is the 500 ppm maximum. Similarly, these are the general guidelines for the addition of acidifying agent, antioxidants, flavors, and the thickening agents, in which they are added as per the good manufacturing practices, and the addition of the preservatives with these limitations. In order to produce high quality of the fruit bar, use high quality of the fruit pulp, then add appropriate quantity of the sugar and the additives, and the drying temperature is must required to maintain proper, and finally must require to maintain the moisture content, that is the not more than 20%. We will get the high quality of the final product, that is the fruit bar. These are the references used for the preparation of this PowerPoint presentation. Thank you very much.